Good morning, everyone. My name is Alexander Grip, and today I'll be presenting machine learning models and methods aspects of processing unstructured data. So we live in the world where the data is growing at an unprecedented rate. According to IDC, by 2025, over 80% of business information will be unstructured. This type of data is valuable but extremely challenging to analyze using traditional methods. Thanks to the development of artificial intelligence, many methods and tools for processing unstructured data have appeared. These techniques allow to extract knowledge and useful information from the data, which can be useful for a variety of tasks such as sentiment analysis, task classification, information mining, object recognition, speech recognition, and machine translation. These are the examples of unstructured data. The most common are text documents, images, video files. For my opinion, log files are also especially important because some organization may generate a ton of logs, and it is very beneficial to have some tool which will extract valuable information from this such kind of files. Let's move forward and let's talk about challenges and considerations. Unstructured data presents several hurdles. There are inconsistencies in the data, and this kind of data, unstructured data, can miss some information, It also requires robust infrastructure. Processing it at scale demands significant computing resources and large amount of storage, like data lakes. For this, we will use, for example, a S3 bucket from Amazon or NoSQL database like MongoDB or Cassandra, often leveraging cloud-based solutions. To handle unstructured data effectively, we need to meet some requirements such as scalability, availability and durability, speed, and of course, security. Let's talk about the methods of processing unstructured data. Machine learning helps process different types of unstructured data, like texts. We will use natural language processing or NLP for that this approach. Computer vision for image recognition, audio processing for speech recognition, and data analysis it's a process for discovering useful information from the data. Each method tailored to the type of data, to the specific type, and they rely on libraries and tools to extract valuable information from the data. The tools I mentioned, it can be, for example, scikit-learn is a Python machine learning library, TensorFlow, NLTK, like natural language toolkit, OpenCV for computer vision. The next one is the stages of processing unstructured data if we are talking about text data using NLP. So the first stage is the data collection, means identifying the data source in a convenient format. Then goes data cleaning. It's a text normalization, removing noise and errors. The next one is tokenization. It means breaking the text into the smaller pieces, like sentences or even words, and remove the so-called stop words like at, the, etc. Steaming and lemmatization. It's reducing the words to their basic form, like running to run, cities to city, etc. Frequency analysis, determining the frequency of occurrence of each word or phrase in the text. Position analysis, identifying the context in which words or phrases are appear. Text classification will automatically assign text to categories or labels. Structuring, identifying and extracting key facts, essences, and connection from the text. Sentiment analysis, determining the general emotional tone of the text. And data visualization allows converting data into visual formats like charts, graphs, word clouds, etc. Now we turn to the MLOps. MLOps, or machine learning operations, is crucial for managing the complexity of ML systems, especially when we're dealing with unstructured data. The goal of MLOps is to enable workflow for model building, training, evaluating, deployment, and monitoring. Text analysis. Text data processing methods include thematic modeling, text classification, detection of emotional tone, etc. Text analysis allows us to understand customer sentiment, classify topics, and extract critical information like names and dates. Different tokenization techniques that can be applied depending on the language and the purpose of the simulation. Techniques allow efficient analysis and understanding textual data. On the right side of the screen, you can see the implementation of NLTK library in Python. In this code snippet, we make tokenization by word, then removing stop words, steaming, which I recall that reduces the word into their basic form, and frequency distribution is mean how much such word appears in the text. So in conclusion, by leveraging machine learning and MLOps, organization can transform raw data into actionable insights, driving innovation, enhancing decision-making, and gaining a competitive edge. Methods and models for processing unstructured data based on the machine learning open new perspectives for an analytic analysis and use of this important category of data. Despite the challenges, the development of technologies that facilitate the efficient processing and analysis of unstructured data continues, making it even more accessible and useful in various fields. That's all for me. Thank you.